was a bird, I used to swoop low to peck in the crumbs of your coffee pot soul. When I was a bird, I thought it was wise to try and discern the smog in your eyes. But then you took me in, and I fell into your mind. It was deep as the well where young lovers die. When I was a bird, when I was a bird, in a little blue box, I kept the ruins of my past for my poems and songs. When I was a bird, I flew to Madrid to hide in the bars from my family's sins. Then truth came to my door with its two ugly brown paws. It said, "Fool, you can't hide from the kraken inside." When I was a bird, when I was a bird, I was seduced by the stars that I myself put in the sky. When I was a bird, I liked my disguise. I hid in a bin made by your lies. When I was a bird, my beak was shaded and grey. I failed to connect with the roots of my brain. Then truth came to my door with its two ugly brown paws. Said, "Fool, you can't hide from the kraken inside." When I was a bird, 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 when I was a bird.